So we're coming up on a food line here in a few seconds, and we will see just how busy it is. I expect there's a lot of last-minute shoppers, but I don't really know. That work?
That work?
Alrighty. Thank you, darling. You have a great day. Mission number 1. Got my script, baby.
We've all been here at all times, but normally you're not always at home.
Not like always.
Man, Jack's starting to get hungry here. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, look at that. That just came out now. Time to eat.
Is this just a dream?
Try to keep that down to 10 seconds for copyright issues. But we got a little fireworks display over here, a little stand where you can buy your cheap bottle rockets. Not crazy about those. I would like to live in a state where I can buy my firecrackers. You can't even buy firecrackers in North Carolina. You know, the little short ones that go boom. Can't do that. But you can buy the bottle rockets that shoot and make, you know, little poofy things up in the air. I gotta find out what the copyright restrictions are with playing music. I think like 10 seconds or something. Not sure what it is. So Walmart's full. It's pretty full, but it's not as full as it gets. So not bad considering it is a Sunday and it's 4th of July. I expected a lot more. Our little traffic check has turned out to be very surprising. No traffic at all, 0. Just going over the bridges to that. So I'm gonna go ahead to a place called Harris Teeter's. It's a grocery store. I'm gonna get my 4th of July supplies, and I'm gonna pick up a script for this knee problem I have. So while I'm there, I'm gonna get that done too. I wasn't actually gonna go there today because I figured this was gonna be almost impassable, but hallelujah, no problem with traffic. Very happy with that. Maybe we'll take the motorcycle out a little later, go for a ride. I'll give you guys a couple of minutes. I'll just let you enjoy the view. So what's happening here is I have a brand new backpack set up with a GoPro mount on the strap. And I was testing it out in the car today. I was kind of hoping that I'd have a reasonable view of the road, but it's not turning out the way I hoped. So the road footage is going to be cut down to almost none, but needless to say, like I had just finished saying actually, the road trip was pretty uneventful. In fact, it was great. I thought the roads were going to be jam-packed with tourists and just heavy traffic in general. In fact, we're supposed to have the heaviest traffic this year since before the pandemic, heavier than before that. But I don't see it. It's not showing up on my local streets here. And we're right next to the Crystal Coast. We have Emerald Island, Atlantic Beach, which are Atlantic Ocean, big, large Atlantic Ocean beach tourist sections. And when we did drive past that bridge on Route 58, at the corner of Route 58 and 24, you could see a line of traffic going over the bridge. So it was rather busy. But the video in the car, I'm going to cut short because it's going to be a view like this, which is not very comfortable. But that's it. And I'm glad you guys are coming along with me today. And we're just going to take a little ride to the grocery store. We're going to pick up my script for my knee. The script that we're buying is... So in the pharmacy, like you saw earlier, what I picked up was a substance called Dicofense, DICIOFENAC, Dicofense. But anyway, it's supposed to be an anti-inflammatory and help with pain relief. It's a non-steroid drug. So the doctor had given me a shot of steroids before that and some pills for about 6 days, and I was supposed to take this stuff after the 6 days, which is what I'm doing now. So this is what I picked up today. If you guys know what this is, or the side effects, or if you have some opinion on this drug, let me know. I personally do not like drugs. I prefer the natural approach to everything, but it's what I have now, and it seems to be working, so I'm going to continue taking it for the moment. But yeah, that's the day. We're just taking a little ride. We're going to go to the grocery store, walk around, buy some cherries, which are anti-uric acid, by the way. So black cherries are a very good thing, and a bunch of other things too. And we're going to cook up some food, and we're going to watch a little TV, and that's going to be the day. But thank you for joining us, and I do appreciate your time. Welcome to Harris Teeter Supermarket. This is a really nice place. It's a kind of a classy store. The prices are reflected that way, though, so that it's not an inexpensive store to go to. You want to go to someplace cheaper, Food Lion, or maybe Piggly Wiggly's, something like that, maybe Walmart. But this is a very nice store. It has everything you could possibly need, and it's really well laid out. So I do like the store very much. I'm going to head over to the pharmacy and grab my script, and then we're going to do a little bit of shopping here. Keep in mind, this is 4th of July. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon, and it is surprisingly slow. I thought there'd be way more last-minute shoppers, but there's not. And we passed by about 4 grocery stores, too, and they're all the same. Not very busy at all. So, yeah. Hey, happy 4th. Yep, I was here about a week ago to pick up a script, and the medicine I picked up, you guys were out, so you gave me a partial fill.
Okay.
So I don't know, you need my info?
Yes. What's your date of birth?
3/9.
13.
Yes.
So your diet.
It was inflammation and pain relief, whatever that was.
We don't have that one ready.
Okay, good. Everything else was filled.
Ready?
Yeah, it was the only one.
Okay.
You guys had some of the medicine, but not all of it, so
Okay.
yeah. You have my card? Oh, I need it.
$7.57.
Sounds good. Do I need to sign that or?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Hey, do you have a Harris Teeter Big card with us?
No, I don't. Chip malfunction. Do it again or?
You can try it again.
All right. That work?
That works?
All righty. Mission number 1. Got my script, baby. Thank you, darling. You have a great day. When I edit this, how does it bounce? How does it look? I think with the hyperstabilization, it should be pretty good. Looking good. So with this thing I'm experiencing with the gout, there's very limited foods I can have. I can't have anything with sugar, no seafood, no red meat. A little bit of cheese and stuff's okay, but it's difficult to decide what to get. Oh, my cherries. Cherries are great for getting rid of uric acid in your system. So black cherries, these were on sale. What? That is nice. Let's do a bunch of these. Black cherries. watermelon. Blueberries are looking good. Who doesn't like that? Okay, some seedless grapes. Now, normally they have my coconut here. I love this stuff. A little bit pricey, but young sweet coconut. You got to make sure you get the one with the straw. This one's got a straw. Some are missing. You poke a hole. This pokes a hole in it, and you put the straw in. If you don't have your straw, you're not drinking. Look at that. Some of these things look good. A little salsa. Guacamole sounds good. Pizza's kind of a no-no for me. You like cherries, huh? Got 4 bags of cherries and a bag of black grapes. Oh, nice. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Of course, I can't eat that. It's not fair. Well, you know what? It is fair. I ate my ass off for a year. It's payback time, so now I gotta eat better. Nice baguette. You feel good. 2 types here. Yeah. Just goes best. So instead of home cooked tonight, I'm gonna cheat. Tonight we get pre-fried chicken. We get the pre-fried chicken. I'm gonna set that up for me. I can't get it to shut. Pre-fried chicken. I'm gonna smother it in barbecue sauce. I'm gonna cook it in the broiler until that barbecue sauce crystallizes. Gets caramelized. All you can eat, right? How do I get one of those discount cards? Oh, they're good. I haven't had those in like 2 years. They're so good though. Yeah. How do I get a Harris Teeter card, or do I need one?
With your driver's license, or we can use the store card. It's up to you.
Store card would be great. Thank you. So those cherries are on sale, right?
They are.
Okay, because the yeah, okay. $17 a bag. Oh my. Imagine. Yeah, please. Thank you.
You put the store card in? Yeah.
Thank you, darling. Go ahead and swipe or ready? Oh, we have a helper.
Are you helping? You get a bag?
Thank you very much.
I put your prescription in the bag with the ice.
Very good, thank you. Want to get those? Thank you, ladies. Happy 4th.
You too.
Well, that's a lot of chicken. The chicken ought to taste good. I'll put it in a big pan, assuming we have one. Yeah, like cookie sheet. I'll cook it until it gets like starts to brown and get crispy. And I'll dump barbecue sauce over it and cook it until it browns.
Look at that car.
Which one?
Blue Cherries.
Oh, you like that, huh? It's a nice car. Well, let's go find out.
We've all been here at all times, but normally you're not always at home. We've all been here at all times, but normally you're not always at home. We've all been here at all times. We've all been here at all times.
All right, Jack back, and again, it's 4th of July. We went to the store. You saw how busy things were or were not, surprisingly quiet on the road. We got a little TV going here. We just made our crispy fried chicken smothered in barbecue sauce, cooked to like a Magno-like consistency, so it's caramelized. All good. We got some grapes and stuff here. And that is going to be a close of the video. I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Jack Brisk from the Coastal Coast, signing off.